Having your AC go out on the hottest day of the year is no fun. Avoid that with a tune-up. Bobby Johnson from Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical is here to help, because no one wants this to happen, Bobby.
It's never fun. This is like the worst thing that could happen in the summer, right? So we try to talk to people about nobody cares about this stuff until it doesn't work, but let us come out, take a look at it before it doesn't work so we don't run into these things.
And I was telling you, we just had a technician from Golden Rule out
Yep.
at our house, and I was really thankful because
Caden,
Caden,
shout
good
out
job,
to Caden.
Caden.
Yep.
He did a really great job, and now I know we're all set for the summer and the winter, I think.
And you're good to go. Yeah, I got the humidifier check too.
Yeah.
So, you know, we have the Gold Club membership. It's $100. So we do this for half price leading into the seasons. Just a one-time check. You never had us out. Just come let us talk to you, show you what it's like and the experience with us. But so many people, you know, don't do this ahead of time, and I get it. It's not a fun conversation. Nobody really wants to have it, but you get us out, you have these conversations, and then we try to avoid those really uncomfortable situations and conversations down the road.
And you have a special right now, an AC tune-up, that it's only $49, so people can come out and have that checked out for the summer.
Exactly, yeah, and we've offered it for a couple weeks, and reason why we're talking about it today is we're going to offer it through next week, but with the forecasts and 80 plus going forward, then we'll get super busy and on to all the Gold Club members. So get it while it's here.
And do it now.
About a week to get it done, yeah.
Now, with that comes a 16-point inspection, is that right? And that can even help you save energy?
Yeah, so that's part of the tune-up and system check. So we always do a thorough evaluation of the entire system. One of the main things there is, you know, one of the most common issues on the AC side, air conditioning side, is Freon or refrigerant. We lose it. It's starting to work, but not working quite as well as it should. But this is included with the $49 tune-up as a free leak search, so we'll get it all checked out.
Are there any other common problems you see with air conditioners that mean this is definitely a time to get this checked out?
Well, anytime that you're noticing that something isn't quite right, you're hearing it, it's louder, it's not quite keeping up, anything like that is your indication that you better get somebody out. But the biggest thing that I always say is that filter. You got to change the filter. That's probably leads to half of it. But anytime, if you're noticing anything, I hear a lot that, well, when it gets super hot, it doesn't keep up, and well, that's normal, right? No, it's supposed to work the way that you want it to all the time. So if it's not, then
get it checked out for sure. And if you haven't had it checked out, like I hadn't in a while, you need to make sure you do that, right?
I know, we've talked about this for years, and
you
finally did it.
Well, Bobby, so people can call and get that 49 AC tune-up for up through next week. Also, great time to become a Gold member too if you're not.
Right, Gold Club membership gets you twice that amount of service along with all the plumbing and electrical services that we offer as well.
All right, Bobby Johnson, thanks so much for being here.
Yep.
And you can call Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. The address is on your screen. The number is 888-986-2424, or go online to goldenrulephc.com. You can also find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram.